Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, welcome. My name is Shauna. I am a now New Jersey based, though I still work in New York City as a model, fashion model, and lover of makeup and kitty lover. I am so excited to soon be getting my kitty. This is my first video in my own place in Jersey City. I am so excited. This has been a long time coming. I am so happy to finally be on my own and to have a place where I can just create my own sanctuary. I have needed this for so long and I'm just really grateful. I had a rough first day. It was like everything that could go wrong went wrong, but the few days since then have been great. I am getting everything set up in my apartment and I wanted to sit down and create a look with the new Doubledown Cosmetics Ancestral Collection Volume 2. It features 3, of course, very pigmented eyeshadows. These are the 3 shadows. We have the Grit, the Grace, and the Gleam. A blue, red, and gold pigment. It looks like the blue is somewhat matte, I believe. Has a slight shimmer. The red is fairly matte, and then the gold is pretty glittery. And then this is the promotional card for the collection. It reads, "The Ancestral Collection Volume 2, the journey of fighting for freedom has given us a spirit of grit where we are resilient, a gleam of hope where we are confident, and grace for our future where we can make a difference. We are powerful in every way, and this collection reflects our gratitude for our beautiful nation of Cabo Verde, West Africa. In honor of our ancestors, to those who have lived and for whom have returned. The grit, the grace, and the gleam. Viva Cabo Verde, Doubledown Cosmetics." So I'm super excited. As you know, I love color. They had their Ancestral Collection Volume 1 last year, which was 3 different reds. And I love that this time they chose to do 3 different colors that are all very vibrant. I know exactly what look I'm going to create with this, and I already have my fashion look picked out, and I'm going to walk to a nearby park to take some photos. So I'm excited to do the look and happy to actually have a place I can call home. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Oh, and also, I'm hoping this setup is okay for now. I actually don't have, I think that's a little better, turned down a little. I don't have a bed yet, so I'm actually just sitting on my air mattress doing my makeup. But we gotta make do and work with what we got. I will have a bed in a few weeks, so there will be a few videos like this. Alright, let's get right into the look. First, I'm going in with the Grit, which is essentially a matte blue. There's a tiny bit of shimmer that you can see in the pot, but when you place it on the eye, it doesn't really show up that much. I will say that I saw a bit of the shimmer when I put it on the lid and I was just packing it on. But when you blend it out, it's definitely going to perform as a matte. And for the crease, I used a fluffy brush, and then to place it on the lid, I used a flat brush. And now I'm taking the gleam on the inner half of the lid, and I will say in retrospect I probably should have taken the Grit all the way and then added the gleam on top because it is more of a topper shade. But if you don't want to have the opaqueness, it's totally fine to just use it on its own. And next I'm going in with the Grace, which is a vibrant matte red. And as I say at the end of the tutorial, I think it mixed with the blue a bit and I may have had something on the brush still, so it's not quite as vibrant as it can be, and definitely the next time I use it, I'm going to be primarily using it on the lid. And now for the inner corner highlight, I'm taking the Fortune, which is a light gold shade. For blush, I'm going in with the Dimension, which is a shimmery peachy color. And now I'm going in with the Fortune again for the face highlighter, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of the Gleam on top just to give it a little bit of an extra glittery shine. And now to finish off the look, I am going in with the Renegade Lip Gloss. Look, I think it came out really pretty. This obviously is fewer tones than I normally use, but I really like this, and I think that the shadows performed really well as usual. Nothing less than what I would expect from Doubledown. The blue is very pigmented, especially if you just pack it on, then it's going to be the way that it is on the lid, but it does blend out beautifully, and it becomes lighter as you blend it out. So yeah, I felt like the blend was super smooth, and the red, I feel it's possible that my brush was not completely clean, but I feel like it came out a little darker. The pigment is there for sure, but it came out a little darker than it looks in the pot. But I will have to try it and like fully clean the brush. It's also possible that it picked up some of the blue as I was blending out, and that could have like made it a little darker as well. So I definitely probably should try using it like up on the lid by itself, and I think it actually will be more vibrant then. And this gold is very glittery. I would say it's probably more of a topper shade or like an inner corner shade. I think it's really stunning, and I did put a little bit on top of my Fortune highlighter as well, which I thought was also really pretty. I personally wouldn't go in too heavily with that one and would use it in combination with another highlighter, but if you like a super glittery highlighter, then it's going to be really, really beautiful. So yeah, I'm happy with the look. I'm about to take some photos outside before I lose the natural lighting. And I hope you enjoyed this. If you're not subscribed, please hit the bell notification. Leave a comment below. What are you most excited about trying from this collection? It is going to be all three eyeshadows, which I believe are going to be available as a set and individually, as well as a mini version of the Fortune highlighter that I used, which they included in their previous Ancestral collection. It's a stunning, stunning gold highlighter. It's actually become one of my go-tos. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're having a good weekend. Actually, this is going up tomorrow, so I hope you have a good week wherever you are. And until next time, stay safe and stay well. Bye!